This mistake wasted my 2 years. Back in 2021, I started a theme-based business in which we have to put out content in a specific niche or a theme, and my page name was Wealth Devil. My page was in motivational niche, and I was learning a lot of new things at that time, like learning new editing style and ins and outs of online business. And I was uploading two reels and two posts a day. To my surprise, I managed to gain over 10k followers in just 10 days. And that was phenomenal and surprising at that time. And as no one has ever achieved this goal organically. And the next step was to collect testimonials. And how can we do that is by talking to other people online and solving their problems related to Instagram or growth and eventually gain their trust and build our brand value so that we can close them on a sales call and pitch our service and hence make money. But I was not ready for that step yet because I had a fear of sales back then, and this fear had limited me for about 2 years. As I had managed to gain over 10k followers in just 10 days, and people wanted to know how I did it organically, and they were messaging me and reaching out to me. And what I did, I just replied them that I do not provide any service or any offer. And I was literally recommending them my friend's service. After that, I keep uploading reels and posts, and I managed to gain over 30k followers after 2 months. If I had controlled my fear of sales back then I would have run an agency right now and I would be in a completely different stage of my life. So, what I want to tell you guys through this story is that you should not limit yourself with any fear. If you have an opportunity, then just grab it and take the chance. If you want to have things that you never had before, you have to do the task that you have never done. You can get rid of the fear now or later, but now is way better because time stops for no one. The earlier you get rid of this fear, the earlier you make money. Speaking of money, if you want to know which business model you should choose in order to make money, then you should check out my this video.